A local father found guilty of killing his son is off of death row. The Arkansas Supreme Court reversing that murder conviction today.
Let's bring in 4289's Una Lee. She takes a look at the Supreme Court decision today that will not just impact this case, but future cases as well. What did you learn?
Well, we do want to warn you that some of the details could be disturbing to some of you in this case. The Supreme Court is calling for a new trial for Mauricio Torres. Benton County Prosecutor Nathan Smith says it is the biggest Supreme Court reversal in the history of Benton County, and it has a monumental impact on future criminal cases.
I think I've never been more shocked by a decision of the Supreme Court than today.
In a split decision 4-3, the Arkansas Supreme Court reversed the 2016 murder conviction of Bella Vista man Mauricio Torres. A jury convicted Torres of capital murder. 6-year-old Isaiah Torres was raped during a camping trip in Missouri in 2015 and later died. Isaiah died in Bella Vista after the family returned from the trip. Mauricio Torres was convicted of the murder and sent to prison on death row. His wife, Kathy, pleaded guilty for her association in the crime and got life in prison. But today, Smith says the Supreme Court stated every single element of the crime had to be committed in Arkansas in order to prosecute in the state.
The court today said that you would have to prove every element of rape occurred under the laws of the state of Arkansas. Obviously, the rape did not occur here,
which Smith says goes against the current Arkansas statute,
as it seems to be at odds with the plain reading of Arkansas's extraterritorial jurisdiction statute, which stands for the proposition that not every element of a crime must be committed in Arkansas for Arkansas to have jurisdiction.
Which means any crime where a portion was committed in another state could not be prosecuted moving forward. We spoke to Torres' defense attorney in Little Rock.
We are gratified that the Supreme Court majority agreed with us that the verdict was flawed.
Jeff Rosenzweig says that the Supreme Court made the right decision.
We could not tell what version of the offense he was being convicted of because we had been denied the separate verdict forms, and that there was obviously a very significant legal problem with one of the two formulations that had been alleged. And we're gratified not only because we will have a chance to retry the Torres case.
The prosecuting attorney tells us that if it gets to trial again, they will be pursuing the death penalty. Una Lee, 4029 News.
It would obviously be a taxing process for all the victims to have to relive that. We also know that Torres was convicted on battery charges as well. He still faces 20 years in prison for that conviction. And just to recap for you, 6-year-old Torres, Isaiah Torres, died in March of 2015. In November 2016, his father Mauricio was convicted and since then has been on death row at the Varner Supermax unit. During Mauricio's trial, a forensic pathologist testified that Isaiah died as a result of sexual abuse. In closing arguments, defense attorneys said that Torres did not knowingly kill his son and that his actions did not meet the legal definition of rape.